Hello everyone, my name is Parshawn Haynes. I'm a rising sophomore data science major at Purdue University in Indianapolis. Today I'm going to be presenting on how AI is transforming the digital product market. Why I chose this? Because I myself am very interested in AI. My future career goal is to be an AI/data engineer. AI is a smart system that learns like a human. It's like a brain for a machine. It helps computers and apps learn from data and make smarter decisions. Kind of like how we learn from our life experiences and how we learn in class. But instead of using feelings or memories, AI learns from patterns in numbers, pictures, and words. If you watch a lot of dog videos on YouTube, for example, the AI starts to notice. It figures out that you have a liking to dogs and recommends you more dog videos to keep you interested and on the platform. According to Harvard Business Review, businesses are using machine learning, the most common type of AI, to detect patterns like this and make predictions. It's always learning, always adjusting, and that's why it feels so personal. AI helps companies understand and predict what consumers want. Businesses love leveraging AI because it helps them learn what people like without even having to ask them. AI watches what you click, what you buy, how long you hover over something, and then guesses what you might want next. Take Spotify for example. It creates playlists like made for you playlists based on your listening history and other users who like similar artists to you. A 2023 article in The Verge explains how platforms use deep learning algorithms to power these personal suggestions and keep users engaged. It's always an AI behind the scenes making sure you don't hit skip or move to another platform. Social media platforms use AI to show you what you like. When you scroll through TikTok or Instagram, there's an AI watching you. Not in a creepy way, but in a what do you like kind of way. It pays attention to everything you like, from every comment, and even how long you pause on a post. The more you interact, the more it learns your style. According to the New York Times, social media platforms leverage AI powered algorithms to decide which posts and ads you see. Based on your behavior, even small things like what you don't scroll past. That's why if you like one sneaker video, you suddenly start to get more sneaker videos on your feed. AI powers smart ads and dynamic pricing on shopping sites. Let's say you looked at some headphones on Amazon but didn't buy them. A few hours later, you might see those same headphones on YouTube or Instagram. That's AI trying to retarget you. It remembered you had an interest and set a reminder. AI also helps e-commerce companies with something called dynamic pricing. It adjusts price in real time based on how popular an item is, what time it is, or even where you live. A research article in the International Journal of Information Management found that e-commerce platforms now rely on AI for everything from product suggestions to real-time price changes. It's like having a digital salesperson always watching the market. Now let's go into the ethics of AI. Is AI always fair? AI can make mistakes or be unfair if not used carefully. Even though AI is smart, it's not perfect. It learns from data, and data has bias. AI will copy those biases. For example, if a hiring algorithm was trained on resumes from mostly men, it might learn to favor male candidates. Even that's unfair. That's a real problem. A study in the Nature Communications explains how AI can accidentally continue patterns of discrimination when it's trained on bias or limited data. This is why people from all backgrounds, different races, and cultures involved in designing AI should be involved in designing AI. Sorry. The more diverse the builders, the more fair the technology. The future of AI in marketing. AI will only keep evolving, and you can shape how it's used. AI is growing fast, soon it'll be in more apps, stores, customer service bots, or even mirrors that recommend outfits. It's already starting to change how companies do business. But here's the exciting part. You could be someone who helps shape how AI is used. Whether you're looking, whether you're in tech, fashion, music, or business, AI is soon going to play a role in everything. And if you start learning now, you can help build smarter, more fair, and creative systems for the future. Now let's have a quick recap. AI is changing how companies reach people fast. So here's what we learned. First, AI is like a brain and helps make decisions. Second, companies use AI to track consumer behavior and make smart guesses. Third, and we finally talked about how AI can sometimes be unfair, but how we can fix that. The main idea is that AI is changing everything around us. And now that you understand how it works, you're already ahead of the game. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something today about AI and use it in your life.